Meaning of hatchback.
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 Hatchback. A hatchback is a type of car body style characterized by a rear door that opens upward and includes the rear window. This type of vehicle typically has a sloping back end and a spacious cargo area that can be accessed by folding down the rear seats. Hatchbacks are popular for their versatility, fuel efficiency, and affordability. They are often seen as practical and convenient vehicles for city driving and small families. Examples of hatchback cars include the Volkswagen Golf, Honda Fit, and Ford Focus.